Good day, Indonesia. Good day, Morningstar Academy, Surabaya. This is STEAM News Report, where science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics meet all together. I am Mr. Albert. And for today's headline, 31 students have successfully finished their first project for the month of August. Here is the report. 31 students of Morningstar Academy from grade 1, 2, and 3 have successfully finished the DIY project, which is the prize wheel. The students made it by themselves, from making the base, the head, and making the final prize wheel. Lastly, they presented their project during the STEAM class. Thank you for the report, and for weather updates, here is the report.
Good day everyone, this is for the weather updates. Surabaya will experience a fair weather throughout the week, where the sun rises at 6 in the morning. But some part of the country will be experiencing a rainy days. And here are the weather bulletin for this week.
And that is the news for today. I'm Mr. Albert, and this is STEAM News Report. Thank you.
I heard in the news that some other parts of Indonesia will experience raining. Yeah, it's raining, kids. But kids, have you ever wondered where the rain comes from? Or how the clouds are formed? Well, this is what water cycle is all about. For today, you will learn about water cycle. Everyone, let's find out.
Kids, this is the water cycle. When the sun heats up the bodies of water such as river, lake, sea, and ocean, the water becomes water vapor. Again, the water becomes water vapor. So, it rises up in the air. This process is called evaporation. Again, the process is called evaporation. And evaporation is the first step in the water cycle. And when the water vapor moves up in the sky, it turns into tiny droplets of water. These droplets of water, along with the dust particles, come together to form a cloud. And this is known as condensation. Again, this is known as condensation. And when the cloud is too heavy and cannot hold all the water, it gives us rain. And this is known as precipitation. Again, this is known as precipitation.
As it rains, water is collected in lakes, rivers, seas, ocean, and even it becomes groundwater when it is absorbed by the soil. Thus, water cycle is a continuous process. And that was all about water cycle. Now, kids, I have a question for you. Have you received this kind of paper? Because we will use that paper to draw the water cycle for us to learn more. So are you ready? Here is the picture of water cycle. So kids, we will draw the picture of the water cycle using your paper. Now, let's start! Kids, here is the picture of water cycle. Here is the bodies of water. When the sun heats up, the water becomes water vapor and held by the cloud. And if the cloud cannot hold it anymore because it's too heavy, it falls as a rain. And the water goes back to the ground or to the surface or bodies of water. And it continues move from water, water vapor, clouds, and it becomes rain, and the rains pours down to the ground, and it continues, as you can see. So that is why this is called water cycle. So are you ready to draw? So everyone, you have to draw the water cycle. Great job, kids, for your first activity in water cycle. A sort of reminder for next week, you have to provide this kind of tape and then scissors, because we are about to start a new project only here in STEAM class, where science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics meet all together. Again, I'm Mr. Albert, and see you next week.